Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. You can make 2 of these from just 1 of these. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. Thank you all so much for choosing to be here today. Today I'm going to share with you something very simple that I'm making that I will actually be giving, and I'm doing it very economically because we're going to be able to make 2 of these little mini purses with just 1 sheet of 12 by 12 paper. Now I'm calling these my Hugs and Kisses purses, and you'll see why in just a minute. And I'm also going to give you a closer look at this in just a minute. But y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. All right, my lovelies, here's what we're going to be making today. This little bag, when finished, is 4 by 4 by 1. And it is so stinking cute and so easy to make. From 1 sheet of 12 by 12, you'll be able to make 2. Now I'm calling this my Hugs and Kisses purse because when I open it, on the inside, I just have some of the Hershey's Hug Nuggets and some Hershey's Kisses. So I'm going to put these back in, and I can also tuck in some cash or a gift card in here if I want. And I think it's a really sweet way to give a little something. So here's what we're going to need to make it. I have my piece of 12 by 12. I'm going to take that 12 by 12 and cut off a 1-inch strip. So I now have a piece that is 11 by 12. So on the 11-inch side, we're going to score at 4, at 5, at 9, and at 9.5. Then we're going to take it and turn it to the 12-inch side and cut it off at the 6-inch mark. So that way you're going to end up with 2 pieces of 6 by 11. And that means you'll be able to make 2 bags. We're only going to make 1 in this video, but you will be able to make 2. So on the 6-inch side, score at 1, rotate it to the opposite 6, and score at 1. Now we're going to take this piece, and on the 12-inch side, just get 2 pieces that are 6 by 1. Then we're going to take those 2 pieces and we score at 1/2 inch. And y'all, that is all that we'll be doing in the way of scoring. So now we're going to take this, and with my big old spatula, I am going to fold and burnish all of my scores. And now that I have my scores folded and burnished, here we are going to free this tab. So we just go up to the score mark and drag down, go up to the score mark and drag down, then I'll angle in and angle in. Let's do the same thing on this side. Go up to that score mark, drag down, angle, and angle. And then we're going to take this piece, and where you have that small fold at the top, we'll go to the score mark and cut straight across, and then we'll angle. Do the same thing here, cut straight across and angle. So now I'm going to tape just to get this out of my way. So take your tape, and I'm not going to remove that. I'm just going to fold it in like this. And then I'm going to take my finger blade, and I'm just going to reduce this end here because I don't need all of that bulk when I'm folding my purse. And I'm basically just cutting it in half. Very, very easy to do. So now we are ready to put this together. So simple, y'all. So I'm going to take my glue place glue here. I'm also going to go ahead and just place some glue there. And then we'll take this piece and fold it up like this. Yes, I am going to get glue all over my fingers, but that'll be okay. So we're just going to fold the bottom to make it match like that. Then we'll take this piece, bring it over, and get it stuck. Now I'm going to take my bone folder, go on the inside, and work that stick. And this is such a lightweight item that you can probably get away with using your tape if you have a good tape runner. If you're using one that doesn't have great stick to it, I probably wouldn't use it on this project. I'm going to go ahead and put some glue here. And we will get this nice and stuck. Did y'all see how quickly this came together? That means that you can make up bunches of these when you need something quick. And you can use this idea even if you're not using it for Christmas. Then I'm going to go ahead and take my handle and fold it and burnish. Add my glue so that this can stick. Let's turn it over. Get that nice and stuck. And then I'll just use my bone folder to get it nice and stuck so that it can dry. And because we trimmed one of these down to 1/2 inch, that makes it easy for us to take this and pinch in and fold. You can fold it even if you don't reduce it by 1/2 inch. This just makes it easier. So there's that purse shape. There is our nice little purse. I am going to grab a Velcro dot, and we are going to place that Velcro dot right there. And then we'll fold over, get it nice and stuck. Then I'm going to use my bone folder to really make sure the stick on that Velcro dot is nice and tight. There's our purse. So let's take that handle and fold in about 1/2 inch like that and like this. Now I'm going to add some glue, and I probably should have heated my hot glue gun because I think that would have made this part go a lot quicker, but that's okay. So then I'm going to take it, place it on the top, loop this over like this, and hold it until we have a nice little stick. Because my paper has a little bit of a waxy coating, I do have to hold it a little longer than I would if it was just regular uncoated cardstock. But in the end, it's all good. And now I have this Happy Christmas piece of embellishment. It's not a sticker, so I added some tape to the back, and I can place it right there to really finish things off. And y'all, look how cute that is. Now I'm going to open it. Go ahead and grab some kisses. Put those in. I'll grab some of these and put these in. We'll take our top, close it. And y'all, there we have it. Another really sweet mini purse to go along with this one. I love how these turned out. Y'all know I love making paper purses, but I love making these little minis from one sheet of 12 by 12. And you just saw how quickly this came together. So if you're in a hurry and you need a little something very quickly, this is a great idea. I'm using them, and I think that you will enjoy using them too. So I hope that you have enjoyed this really fun way that we can take one piece of 12 by 12 cardstock and make two of these. If you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.